Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, East Central Rutherford County in western North Carolina, Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina, central Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, rain showers capable of producing damaging winds were located along a line extending from 12 miles north of Forest City to 3 miles east of Shelby, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hickory, Shelby, Newton, Lincolnton, St. Stephen's, Conover, Cherville, Longview, Sawmills, and Granite Falls. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Burke, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Lincoln, and Rutherford.